Hello student, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. All the best, God bless you. This is very basic from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th for everyone. You have two solution A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and the pH of solution B is 9. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of them is acidic and which is basic? So A has pH is equal to 6 means it is acidic. Why it is acidic? Because pH less than 7. If it is less than 7, so it will be acidic. Okay, less than 7 solution is acidic. pH we can write down like this. Okay, now pH more than 7 solution is basic or alkaline. So pH more than 7, so here pH is equal to 8. So solution B is basic. B basic, A acidic. Clear? A acidic I have written, B basic. Now solution A, B, C, D are given to you. pH is given 7, 8, 9, 10 respectively. Arrange them according to increasing basic nature. Okay, here I will tell you more will be the pH, more will be the basicity. So 7, 8, 9, 10, this is increasing order. pH is equal to 7, it is neutral. 8 basic, 9 basic, 10 basic. But basicity increases as pH increases. So this is most basic. pH 10 is most basic. 8 and 9 are basic but less basic than 10. And pH is equal to 7 is a neutral solution. Now solution A, B, C, D is given and pH ranges from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. A, B, C, D, E write down like this. Okay, so arrange them according to increasing acidity. Here it is just opposite to the alkaline solution. Here lesser will be the pH, more acidic will be the nature. Okay, so here pH 5 least acidic, pH 1 more acidic. Okay, why? Because see, pH is equal to minus log of H ion concentration we are saying, right? Or we can write on like this, pH is equal to log of 1 upon H positive. We can write on like this also. Both of them are correct. So they are inversely related, means if H will be increased, pH will decrease. And remember that more will be the hydrogen ion concentration, lower will be the pH. Okay, so lower pH means more acidic. It means more acidic, more H ion concentration. But pH is lower. Okay, pH is lower. Higher pH means lower concentration of H positive per unit volume. So lower acidic in nature, less acidic. So which is least acidic? pH 5 is least acidic, pH 1 is most acidic. And acidity here, from here we will see that it is increasing from this